I stirred pictures out of red dust, then blew and bade each form forgive. I split the lips of buried vessels.
And saw diamonds.
Blue masks and saw diamonds.
The shapes,
The
not
shapes,
the stones.
not the stones.
Though the shapes were
Though the
embedded in a
shapes were
darkness,
embedded in a darkness,
not unlike that of
not
a mine.
unlike that of a mine.
On the second day of the first month of the year of difference, the children who owned yellow balls,
owned a yellow ball,
or whoever played with
whoever
yellow
played
balls
with a
in
yellow
the last
ball
90
in the
days,
last 90 days,
or who had ever compared
or
the
who
sun
had ever
to a yellow
compared
ball,
the sun to a yellow ball,
woke
to the
to the taste of borax.
My body is unbreakable. It's a body device. It's open. And it's so virginal.
It was a summer in a strange time. It was getting colder in later spring instead of warmer. Fog covered the slopes. Sown seed froze. Animals got sick. Lakes were turgidly dark and the grass was brown. Nature was becoming different. It looked like places where volcanic ash covers everything, including the sun.
Absolute. Phenomenal. Denial. Provokes. Embodiment. Peripheral. Denial.
I had a terrible nightmare. May you not stand it.